Now, when it comes to mushrooms, we were very skeptical when we first started using mushrooms because we used to think that you had to cut the stems off and not use that part. But now we love mushrooms. We roast them. We use them in so many different things that, let's say I'm chopping them to roast them or add to a recipe, we cut the whole thing, stem and all. I normally just cut them just like that, depending on their size, just chop them up. So that all kinds of mushrooms, white button mushrooms, whatever kind of mushrooms you're buying, is I just chop them up like that, stem and all. Now, when it comes to portobello mushrooms, we have a couple of different recipes that use portobello mushrooms. Now, so here, like for our portobello Philly cheesesteak, all I do is I pop that little stem out and then I actually chop it up and roast it, or, you know, put it on the baking sheet when you're roasting the slices. So the portobello Philly cheesesteak, we actually slice them just like this in about half-inch slices, and then we spread them out on the baking sheet and we would roast them in a single layer just like that. Now, for other recipes, for like our portobello burger or portobello parmesan, we want to roast the entire portobello mushroom. So you have a couple of options. I still will pop the stem out just like I did on that and then chop it up and roast it. But so for those two recipes, we actually just put it cut side down on the baking sheet, leaving the gills inside. The gills are edible, but it becomes personal preference. If you think they don't look too appetizing or you want to scrape them out, it is very easy to scrape them out, but you just know that you don't have to. All you have to do is take a spoon and just go around. I normally even do this over the sink and just scrape them out just like that. Go all the way around and then just discard those. So completely personal preference, but it's easy as that.